Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that actually block redemption. First, scratch the code fully and retype it exactly, capital letters, hyphens, and all. Next, make sure the Roblox account's region and age settings match the card's purchase country, because regional mismatch causes failures. Also confirm you're entering the code into the Redeem Roblox card page, not the promo code box. Once done, capture a clear photo of the card and the receipt for support if needed. You should now run the controlled redemption flow. Open an incognito window on a desktop with no VPN, sign into Roblox, and navigate to Account Gift Cards Redeem. Type the code slowly and double-check each character before submitting to avoid typographical errors. If the site throws a server or validation error, clear browser cache and cookies, or try a different device and network. Doing this isolates browser or network issues from code-related problems. Finish by preparing your case if redemption still fails. You will gather screenshots of the error, the card front and back showing serial and code, and the original purchase receipt. Then contact Roblox support with those attachments and the exact error message text. Explain the steps you already followed. If support verifies the card is invalid, contact the retailer or issuer for a refund or replacement. As a tip, keep timing in mind. Support responses can take several.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.